facts and tips. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for getting more information and tips and facts. Hi winners, in this video we will discuss the benefits of peanut. Peanuts are very important because it gives us many health benefits. You can't imagine that small thing like peanut have so much health benefits. For know these benefits, please watch the video till the end. Number 1 is peanut promotes heart health because peanut lowering the cholesterol level because of it reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. Number 2 is peanut promotes weight loss due to fewer calories and high protein content. The peanut is very beneficial for the weight loss, but the excess of anything is bad if you take much of the peanut because it promotes weight loss. It may gains you more weight. Number third is longer lifespan because peanut is a nut and when a person eats more nuts it have a chance to live longer. Due to it, peanuts are beneficial for longer lifespan. Number 4 is lower the risk of diabetes because peanuts are in low glycemic index, so it reduces the risk of diabetes and does not spike the sugar level. Peanuts helps in reducing inflammation in the body due to the fiber content in peanut helps to reduce inflammation. Number 6 is cancer prevention. Due to research in different studies, it shows that peanut helps in preventing the risk of cancers. Number 7 is rich in nutrients. Peanuts are very rich in nutrients. It has magnesium, folate, vitamin E, copper, and many more nutrients. They are helpful for our healthy life. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment our channel.